Today we are going to do a beginner intermediate kickboxing class. So if you're a beginner like me, follow me. And this is Kaneta. She is a kickboxing instructor. And yeah, let's get going.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, what's great about these moves is it's real self-defense too. So we're just gonna start warming up, but what's nice about it is it's all core because it's all balanced and you're working every part of your body, but I love that it's all core too, you know? So yes, let's just start with a little jumping jack, get our blood working. Here we go.
I'm gonna jump rope.
Yeah. How you guys all doing out there today?
And you can take away the bounce, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if your knees are funky or
you can
cranky.
Just move your arms, just moving your body, just relaxing your neck, shaking it out. Get all warmed up, right?
Yeah, it's pretty hot already.
Yeah, right? Okay, so let's start. Should we start?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so it's very simple. So let's start with your foot back. So it's like your heel toe, just like what I'm doing like this. Keep your stomach super tight. So the whole time, suck your stomach in. Put your hands up. We're going to do a front ball kick. Put your hands up. And what you're going to do is when you kick, you're going to roll your toes back. So when you lift up your leg and you push, it's almost like you're pushing someone back. So the whole time, most important thing is to keep your hands up like this. It really works your core too. So let's start. We're going to do 10 on each side. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2. You can go as high or as low as you want. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Nice. So that's what's kind of cool. You can go low. You can go as high as you want. In the middle. Just getting the balance is the most important. All right, let's do our left side. Here we are. Put your hands up. Protect your face at all times. Lift that leg up and push out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember to breathe. 9. One more. 10. Perfect. Good job.
Heart rate up.
Right? Just feel warm. We can always stretch a little bit in between. Okay, now we're going to do the side thrust kick. This is my favorite kick. So you go to the side, put your hands up. I always protect my face. So I keep like a soft block right here, and then I always put my hand here so you can never get hit. So it's like a double protection. You lift your leg up and you push with your heel. Okay, and then you go down. So it looks like this. You kick it out. So you use your heel. The power comes out of your heel. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Boom.
And we did not practice this, so I have no idea what she's doing. I've never done some of these moves before, so.
So that's why everyone can do it. That's what's so great, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do the other side. All right, put that soft block. Put your hand up. Lift up. Kick with the heel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Done. Perfect. Good job. Does that feel good?
Yeah, yeah.
That's good, right? All right, should we just teach them one more kick? The rear kick?
Sure.
Let's do it. Okay, so this
I want a
kick,
bunch more.
you just turn around. The biggest thing with this kick is you always got to look over your shoulder. So make sure you look first. It's called a rear kick. So you're going to look, you're going to lift your leg up, and you're going to kick with that heel.
I'm going to do it this way so I don't kick her.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, look over the shoulder. 3, 4.
I'm going to fall over. I'm going to look at you.
6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Good. Okay, other side.
Yeah, I like those.
Our booties are working. All right, let's do it. We're going to lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Boom. Okay, let's do some arms, huh?
Yeah.
Let's do some punches. All right. So,
I'm terrible at these.
what I love about some boxing moves, core again. It's all about your tummy. That's what I love. And of course, it works every muscle in your arm. So what we're gonna do a little jab and we're gonna do a strike. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go 1, 2. So see how I always just turn my back foot so I have myself in really good balance. So you're not like this. You get your foot back and you're like really strong while your stance is.
So I can't push her over.
Yeah. All right, here we go. We got a jab, strike. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Bam! Yes.
Those are awesome.
Right?
Yeah.
Feels good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, again, so we're right here. You got your,
Don't mess with us.
yeah. We got a jab, we got the strike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your hips. 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Good. So remember, it's all in your hips is what's the power. Because as women, we need that extra like push with the hips. You know, so it's cool. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely hip work.
Right, hip work. Okay, one more. Here we go. We're gonna do back knuckle. This is a great one. This is like a little surprise one. So you always have your soft block again to protect your face. Always protect your face. We're here. We're just gonna do back knuckle and back. You're gonna really fast. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more. Bam. Yes.
And you move the hip that way, right?
Yeah. You just
Okay.
kind of like hello.
And that heel, it goes up. That back heel.
Yep.
Okay.
Just because a lot of times, you know, the person might be a little bit bigger than you, so you're always like, maybe not. You know?
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, other side. Here we go. Hello. Here we go. Back up. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Bam. There we go.
Yep.
It just makes you feel good too,
Yeah.
doesn't it? Like moving your body, little self-defense moves. Everyone has to know how to do it.
Yeah. Let's do some more. I don't want to
Okay.
stop.
All right, fair. Let's do some more.
Yeah.
Let's do a wheel kick. All right. So this kick is fun. So the biggest thing for this is your heel toe again. Got a good balance. You're gonna open this foot in front first to make so you can actually do your wheel kick. So it looks like this. You open your foot, hands are up. You're gonna do a wheel kick. So you're really kicking with right here, the shin of your leg. So it looks like this. You open, kick. Your whole body's turning. Open, kick. This one's a little harder. This is an advanced move. You've got to practice it.
I like it.
All right, let's do it. Let's do 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. You did it.
No, I have done kickboxing for about a year, so I'm not brand new. That would be like not fair. Okay.
All right, other side. Remember, first thing first, open that leg up so you can turn your body. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Bam! Very good.
Awesome. Yeah, definitely
You're so
core.
good, right? You can feel it, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Definitely my abs are tired and my heart's going.
We should stop there because we don't want to get you overwhelmed. If you just practice those moves, you will feel it and you'll self-defense. You know, you're going to be in a sticky situation. You can defend yourself.
You want to do some stretches real
Okay,
quick?
let's do some stretches.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
All right. That's my favorite one. I love just doing the side stretch.
Oh, yeah.
Just
Oh,
lift.
yeah. Hello, lads.
Yes. Just breathing. So important, right?
Yes.
All right, so the other side. Woo.
Right here. Oh, my goodness. I need a
Yeah.
massage.
Right? I need a massage too. Hey, after working out, it feels so good just to eat clean, get some rest. All right, put your arms out. Let's just go down. Keep your back flat. Grab onto your ankles. Put your
I gotta
head
bend my knees.
down, and let that head hang.
Hamstring stretch.
Yes.
Back of the legs. Those get
Come on
really tight.
up. Ooh, let's do a warrior position. Let's put your right leg forward. Just put that arms out. Go to the side. Let's just stretch. Feels so good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Warrior you are. Good. Let's go to the other side.
I'm so tempted to go to triangle. Do you do yoga too?
A little bit. I
Yeah.
do a little bit. I need to do more yoga. I need to do more yoga for sure.
Yeah.
All right, you guys.
All right.
One more up.
I'm doing a back bend.
Yeah, back bend. It's a good idea. Feels so good outside.
I know. It's so hot today.
And that's what's so cool is you can do these exercises anywhere. You can see
Yeah.
in a small little. You can literally be like in a tiny spot and do everything. So I hope
Yeah.
you guys enjoyed that today.
Yeah. Give us a thumbs up. Oh, and these clothes, you can buy
Mia
them.
Brasilia.
She is the artist, the designer. So we have a exercise clothes haul video at the end card. So watch all the way to the end and check those out, and you can order these outfits or a different one. And yeah, check them out.
Check it out. It's all made here in San Diego. It's www.miabrasilia.com. Bye.